I was sent this utensil and napkin caddy in rustic wood. I love the striping and the detail in the wood. Really, really beautiful. This handle's great too. You can just tell it's like really solid workmanship. And then I brought with me some plastic forks and spoons and napkins. I feel like whenever you have a party, it's sometimes the last thing you think about is where am I setting out the utensils? And for me, sometimes I'm just grabbing a plastic cup and sticking it in it. So having something like this is so nice to just keep it all organized in one spot when you entertain. And it doesn't have to be plastic cutlery. You can certainly use regular cutlery as well and different utensils. You have your 3 spots, so you'd put your knives there or something else, really up to you. And on this side, you have a big area as well for napkins or anything. Like, it doesn't have to be putting napkins, but if you want to, it definitely fits very nicely into that space so that you have everything nice and organized. So when you have a party and you have your food buffet line, people can just grab what they need and go. And of course, it's mobile and you can move this and use it. So I think you're gonna love this and use it all the time.